Now, this is a story of how I turned about $75 into $5 million. So we're driving to Naples with the two top realtors. They get a phone call on the way to Naples. Hey, there's a project I need you to come see. Condo complex, maybe 300 units. They're all rentals. And they say, okay, so here's what's going to happen. We're going to renovate all these condos. How many do you want for your clients? How many do you want? Here's going to be the fair market value. Here's the cost, crazy margin. Find out that all of these tenants have first right of refusal if they want to buy that condo. So what do? I drafted some letters to all of the tenants. Great news. Your condo is going to be renovated and transformed into a beautiful unit that you have the first right of refusal to buy. It's going to be a great investment for you. I highly recommend you do it if you have the means. However, if you do not, I would love for you to transfer your rights to me, and I'll give you $1,000 of relocation. So within a week, I've got almost 205 units. So that means I had to put about $200,000. The landlord calls me up. What do you want? You're going to make maybe $150,000 on each unit. I said, I'll sign them all back over to you for, I don't know, $25,000 a unit. Deal. So for $60, I made about $5 million.
How did you get the $200,000?
I didn't need to because I assigned it back to the landlord.
How funny.